Vauxhall Insignia GSi Sports Tourer Biturbo 2018. The Insignia GSi is Vauxhall's new performance flagship. What is it? This is the replacement for the old Insignia VXR and will serve as Vauxhall's new performance flagship. Following its reveal at the 2017 Frankfurt Motor Show, Vauxhall was keen to point out that this new model, now badged Insignia GSi, was not only developed at the Nürburgring but was 12 seconds faster around the circuit than its predecessor. No word was given on what that exact time was, but 12 seconds is 12 seconds. Make what you will of the official lap time's absence. What is clear is that, whatever that time was, it wouldn't have been set in the variant of Insignia GSi we have here. While that car would have been the petrol-powered Grand Sport hatch, this is the oil-burning estate, or sports tourer in Vauxhall speak. Explained in a rather unforgiving manner, this means it's the slowest, heaviest version of the fastest, most exciting Insignia, but only by a small margin. On the flip side, it's also the most practical and offers slightly better economy than its petrol-powered stablemates. So every cloud and all that. The engine is a 2.0-liter biturbo 4-cylinder diesel that develops 207 bhp and 354 pounds-foot of torque, sent to all four wheels via an 8-speed automatic transmission, the first to ever be fitted to a Vauxhall, don't you know? There's also a twin-clutch differential at the rear axle that allows more torque to be sent to the outside rear wheel during cornering. Although the Insignia GSi's suspension architecture is shared with other Insignia models, that means lightweight McPherson struts and coil springs up front. With the 5-link axle and coil springs at the rear, it sits 10 mm lower and spring rates have been stiffened by as much as 40%. Vauxhall's FlexRide adaptive damping has also been thrown into the mix, offering the choice of 3 driving modes: Standard, Sport, and Tourer. What's it like? Not quite as exciting as Vauxhall might lead you to believe, unfortunately. Despite all the claims about being developed at the Nürburgring, the Insignia GSi doesn't particularly feel like a car that's entirely comfortable with being driven in a more enthusiastic manner for a number of reasons. The steering is overly light and floaty around center and doesn't provide anything